At Hyundai, we are going beyond mobility, a journey where advanced technology is your constant companion. Innovative solutions that enhance your lifestyle, and sustainability is a way of life. The Namaste structure is a testament to our vision of technology and human values coming together. The usage of sustainable materials and life plans surrounding the structure showcases our values of collectively working for a better tomorrow. Beyond mobility is more than a statement. It's a promise to build a future powered by advanced technology, sustainability, and inspiring innovation. The magnificent Namaste structure comprises of a robotic hand that symbolizes the advanced technology joining a human hand in a wheel, which represents the integral role of humanity in long-term sustainability and Hyundai's brand direction of beyond mobility. The structure is centrally located on the approach road to IGI T3 Airport and will welcome visitors coming from New Delhi, Gurugram and the airport itself.